On view now through July 9th at Commongrounds, Vessel of Soundless Sound features a series of paintings and wall-mounted sculpture, all works that have evolved from silence. Rooted in a long-term contemplative journey, they offer passage to an intermediate space between the seen and unseen. Employing a range of materials from various paint media, silverleaf, limestone, to aluminum and copper, the works record relatively permanent moments in earthly time. Lyrical, script-like lines dance between multiple layers of transparent paint, acting as veils, masks, or portals. The sculptures collaborate with and amplify the physical flatness of the paintings, playfully posing questions about the work's own imagined origin and history, material composition, and density. Alternating between seemingly weightless and impossibly dense, some works reference invisible forces of nature, like gravity or a magnetic field, while others echo earthly growth and decay, geologic strata, relics from ancient civilizations, or rocks from the moon. Vessel of Soundless Sound includes several sound-charged paintings created during my residency at the Tusen Foundation in spring 2022. While in residence, I used sound and vibration to charge my raw materials to create painted fields of color, light, and texture. This practice takes inspiration from and welcomes in sacred Indian texts from the Vedas and the Upanishads, two of humanity's most ancient bodies of knowledge. By directing recordings of these texts into the water used for painting, I captured their energetic imprint, absorbing their vibration and distilling their qualities into the work. Infused into the work in this way, these mantras are honored as portals to universal aspiring consciousness. Created outdoors and exposed to the elements, the canvas acted as a vessel, collecting pigment that settled like sediment, quietly and over long periods.
Oh.